Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. Today in this video, we are going to see print on demand with Shopify. What are the steps we have followed to set up a print on demand store on Shopify? We are going to discuss in each and every step in this video, and I will let you know why I have deactivated my Shopify account and why I'm failed in this particular field. I'm going to let you know. So what are the drawbacks you can be facing while dealing with these kind of things? So stay tuned to this video until end so that you will understand each and every point in detail. So yeah, printing on demand POD with Shopify allows you to create and sell custom design products without holding any inventory or managing production. So yeah, everyone is choosing this because of these advantages. Here I will let you know the step by step setup for this print on demand with Shopify. So, firstly, what we have to do is we have to choose a print-on-demand provider. So, there in the market we have different types of providers. So, firstly, we have to do research on different print-on-demand providers to find that one that aligns with your business goals and budget and product offerings. So, which is exactly suitable to you. You have to choose that based upon the research you have done. Next, what we have to do is consider the factors such as product quality and printing techniques, what the printing techniques they are using, like DFT or sublimation printing. So what type of printing techniques you have to consider, and shipping timings you have to consider, and customer service, as well as integration capabilities with Shopify, so how well it is integrated with Shopify, like that. And next, you have to look for providers that offer wide range of products, like for example not only limited to t-shirts or like this, it will also go for beyond that, bags or cups, mugs. So a wide range of products and the customization options to cater your target audience. Okay, so you have to consider all these points while choosing a print on demand provider. So next thing, what we have to, if you are good at the you have selected a suitable print on demand provider for you, and then next step which you have to do is you have to set up your Shopify store. So you have to sign up for the Shopify. So what how you can sign up means you just a Google ID or Gmail ID is enough for a sign up to a Shopify. So you can visit Shopify website and then sign up for that account. So after signing up, you have to choose a particular plan for that. So choosing a plan that fits your business needs, or whether you are starting as in a beginner. So you will be having a free trial, or just 20 rupees you can sign up and take that particular free trial. That will be last for 3 months, and again you have to continue that particular thing, you have to pay around 2000 likewise. So choose a business plan, like how many months you have to be in that particular path. So based upon your business needs, you can set up your you own path, suitable plan. Okay. Next, what we have to do is we have to set up the configuration of store, like store settings you have to include, like choosing a store name. So store name should be there, and then domain you have to select. So what would be the URL for your store, like this you have to set up. And then the shipping options or payment options, so how the user can be able to pay with what type of payment options are there, like you will be going with a UPI things or a razor pay. So whatever the suitable payment methods you will have, you can use that, and shipping methods also you can choose in the Shopify store. So now everything is done, the setup is done. Now the thing, one more extra thing what we have to do at Shopify is you have to customize your store design, like how the website should look like, and what the layout should look like, and what are the pages should be included, and what are how you are categorizing the products which you have. So everything you can choose by using Shopify's themes you will be having. So predefined themes will be there, you can just download and use that particular thing. So there also you will have an drag and drop editor, where you can select the predefined theme, and then you can customize as your own as in own wish. So which columns you want, like all these things you can set up there. So the things have to include is you have to you must include a contact information in your website, and then about you and shipping orders and return policy. So everything you have to include in your Shopify website, so the user will get a good impression on your store, and they will have information handy in your website if they are any having any queries like that. So then after setting Shopify everything in the Shopify store, the other thing which we have to do is we have to connect whatever the print on demand app which you have with the Shopify. So we have to install the print on demand app on Shopify stores. Okay, navigate to the Shopify app store, and then you can search their print on demand apps. So they will be having print on demand apps such as like a Printful or Printify or Guten. So if you are in want to abroad like US providers, you can go with these kind of things. Or if you want to be limited to the Indian customers or Indian target audience, then you can go with the Indian pre providers for a quick delivery kind of thing. So for Indian we have like Quick Ink and then Printro, so all these things will be Indian. You can do such research based upon your requirement. You can choose your own print on demand app, as we have said in the first step where we are choosing print on demand provider. So here we are just connecting that print on demand with the Shopify. So the Shopify app store, you have to install those print on demand apps, and you have to connect with these two things. So install the app of your chosen provider and follow the prompts to connect it the Shopify store. So where you will be having like it will provide access between these two things, like it will grant necessary permissions for the app to access the store's data and manage orders seamlessly. So whatever the things which you are having and print on demand where you are doing things, that will automatically publish in your Shopify store if you do such connection between these two things. Or otherwise, if you're having those things are handy in the print on demand app, you can also you add your own custom kind of things, and then you can upload it in the Shopify store, or directly if you publish there, that will reflect in your Shopify store if you have that connection or interaction between these two stores. Okay, so sorry, Shopify and print on demand app. And the next thing which we have to do after this connection, you have to choose the product. So what products you want to be featured in your website, or you want to sell or do print on demand on. So explore the catalog products offered by the print on demand provider within the Shopify app. So see what are the things they are giving offering for you, and consider the factors such as like product quality and when variety of products and popularity when selecting products to sell. So these things we have to consider, and then you have to choose the products that align with your niche. For example, it's your t-shirt printing, you have to go with t-shirt kind of thing. Or if maybe phone case printing, or maybe a mug printing, or if you want to be printed on some other kind of things, you have to be on that niche only. And based upon the target audience preferences, you have to uh, choose your own products to maximize the sales, right? So that point you have to remember. And the next thing, after choosing products, for example, you have chooses like t-shirt printing. So you have chosen the t-shirt. So maybe women t-shirts or men t-shirts, so you'll be having sweatshirts, and then crop tops will be there. So everything clothing related you have chosen. So non clothing you are not choosing, you are choosing clothing products. Then that is your niche, so that is also selected. And the next thing what we have to do is now design your product. So you are not going to sell plain clothing, right? So you are going to design. So print on demanding is nothing but you are printing something on your product. So designing your products, you have to design your products by using uh, some softwares like Adobe Photoshop, or Illustrator, or Canva is there. So you can use the free version of Canva, or if you are able to go with the pro version of Canva, you can go and create your own custom designs for your products. So other than Canva or these Adobe Illustrators or everything, you will be having AIs in the market, as in recent invention. So you can use AI's help in this designing of products. You can do graphic designing and create 3D and 3D and 2D designing illustrations and everything. You can design as your wish. And next, what you have to do is we have to follow the print on demand provider guidelines. So they will give you some like specifications of the particular design. So while you are designing your products, you have to remember these kind of points, like they will be having limitations to the design specifications, like dimensions. They will be giving will be accepting this dimension only. So for a DTF printing, you will be having this much width and that much height should be there. So you have to match that specification which are giving by the print on demand providers. So while you are designing your products, like dimensions and file formats and resolutions, so they will specify you that you should design your prints on that particular specifications only. Okay. Next, not only with these single products or single designs, you can explore with different design elements, such as you can add different colors or different styles and create unique and appealing products. So that will ultimately resonate with your target audience, and it will increase your sales. So your designs and products design should be good to be enough to get good prints on your products. Okay. So that should be clear format without any clumsiness, and everything should be clear, and that should be in a correct dimensions which are provided by print on demand provider. So that will give you exact print on your products likewise. So this is designing of your products, and these things are the things which you have to remember while designing your products. So we'll do more videos on how you can design your products, like what are the sources which you have online for free, and how creative you can think to design your products. So everything we'll do videos on upcoming videos. Okay. So if you want to let you know, like if you have any doubts in these points which I have mentioned, let me know in the comment section. We'll definitely make a clear video on a brief introduction about that particular doubt which you have. We'll make video on that. Next, so I will give you more information on that point. So I am now explaining is like brief points only. So if you want to know more extra information on that point, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely make video on that in a full form, a full-fledged form with resources and how you can do in a live example. So I will show you. So now your design is ready for your products. So now what we have to do is we have to upload a design. So we have to give our design to the print on demand app, right? So we have to tell them this design to be printed on this product. So we have to upload your design to that product. So upload your design to the print on demand app through Shopify's interface. Through Shopify interface we can give, or sometimes so as I told, like Indian providers, we are not having that through Shopify app. You can open that in the their page, and you can interconnect that Shopify app to this. So there you can upload your designs on the print on demand app. And then after that, what we have to do is we have to assign each design to the corresponding product variant. Like I want this design for this product, and the sizes should be like this, and the color should be like this, and it should be like this styling. So we have to match that products with those corresponding specifications. So like variants, we can say product variants are there, right? So it should be XL or triple XL or XL small size. So all the sizes and colors, also styles, or what type of product it is, crop top or t-shirt, or for men's or women's, we have to uh, check on those variants after uploading your design. And then what we have to do is, so we have to check your designs, preview your designs that will appear on the product. So how that design will appear on this particular product. So where you are printing, that is on the back side of your t-shirt, or front side of your t-shirt, or it will be on the corner, right corner side of your t-shirt. Like how you are designing, you should preview your design. So right. So if you have any changes, you can do the changes if you are doing the preview. So next, how it will appear on your product is nothing but preview. Okay. To ensure that they meet your exceptions before publishing them to the store. So before publishing to the store, it will let you know that this should be the look of your product. So if this particular design is to be printed on the t-shirt, it will look like this. So that will allow you to preview your product. So next, preview, if it is done, then it will ask you to publish. So if you done publish, it will be uploaded in your Shopify store. So that is not just an your design on that product, how it will look like a preview. So preview images are to be uploaded, published in the Shopify store. So now what we have done, we have done designing and uploading, and we have added variants, and that is published to your store. So store is nothing but we have a website, right, where a Shopify website where we have designed and customized by our own. So there now you are going to have your pictures, so how your t-shirt will look like. So here you are not doing any printing and just not buying any inventory, like no t-shirts and everything. You are not having anything in your hand. So you are just automating all the things, and you are interconnecting all this manufacturer, and then you are just doing the designing part. Okay, so if you are not good at designing part also, you can buy have an designers at your end. You can pay them and get designs from them also. So now uploading the design is over in your store. So next thing what we have to do, so while uploading, it will ask you to, so you, if you are for example, you can consider Amazon or any online store. So if your product is uploaded on an online store, you will be having prices, right? So where you or your audience will gonna see the price. So that price is different from the actual manufacturer price, right? So whatever the print on demand apps will chosen by you, they will have some amount of prices, some set of prices for the product. So if you are choosing the particular product, you will be charged for the particular price, and then you are applying the design based upon the design. So for printing that, they will cost you some much amount. So total you will be having some much amount there by the whatever the print on demand store. We have to pay that amount to the print on demand store, and on that what the profit you are be earning, so you have to add that whatever the profit you are expecting, and then you will be having your total price as your MRP to the whatever the users which the target audience which you are coming to your website. So the next thing which we have to do is set prices. So determine the pricing of each product variant based upon the factors such as base cost charged by the print on demand provider, as I said. So the base charge provided charged by the print on demand provider, your desired profit margin, and then market demand. So all these things you have to remember, and then consider the competitor pricings also. So how market price are there for this kind of designs in the market. So all these things you have to consider, and then you have to set a some precise value for that, and that pricing strategies will be applied there, like cost plus pricing or a value based pricing. So everything you have to keep it in the mind and set the prices of your product. So okay, now aim to strike a balance between the profitability and competitiveness to attract customers while maximizing your earnings. So all these points considered, you can maximize your earnings by setting the uh, exact prices there. So which is the competitive in the competitive world, and then it will be allowing you to have profits at a time. So these are the things we have to remember when setting the prices. So after the prices, what we have to do is we have to publish the products. As I said, right, after setting the prices, we'll be seeing them in the Shopify store. So you have set up the products and then prices, you can publish them in the Shopify store. So where you will be having like uh, customized titles, like the title of the product you can customize there, and then description, what are the description of that product, which should be this clothing type on this sizes are available, like this you can add the customized description there. And then you will be having, if you're having any images, so you have given a preview or just a model of that clothing. But if you want to be that clothing to be applied to a human or model, if you have any, so you can, or online also available, you can go any online website where you will be having some pictures. You can set your own t-shirt there to the any AI person, and then you can take that pictures and show it in your Shopify website. If you want to more much details on what website it is and everything, you can let me know in the comments. I will do one more video on that. So how to get t-shirt to be printed on sorry teach it to be on the humans, how we can get online models available for your products. So next, what we have done is we have optimized our website now by having titles, description, and images and everything. So we can go for search engines, so where this will help the search engines to identify your products at uh, time in a quick time. So now what we have to do is we have to organize our products into collections or categories to improve the navigation of your customers to find the products easily, or you can have a search bar, or you can have different what you have collections, so they can go to the women's collection, or these kind of prints if you want. So you can set your Shopify store with a customized theme, then you can have these all collections and everything in your place. Okay, so now we have published everything with the setting the prices and then having the collections and everything. Now everything is available in your Shopify store. So now what we have to do after that, so we have published the products, and then what we have to do is market your products. So marketing products is one more important thing. So yeah, we have to have certain marketing strategies to product to promote your products, like you have to promoting your products in nothing but you have to get a traffic on your Shopify store, right? So you have to promote your Shopify store now. So utilize a max of online and offline marketing channels, such as social media marketing or email marketing or influencer partnerships. You can partner with influencers online, Instagram or Facebook, like that. And then content marketing or such optimization methods you can follow. And next, a paid advertisement. For example, you can go with Google AdSense, and then or we can have, like, if you're having a YouTube channel, you can promote your products in the YouTube by adding the store details in your there. And then you will be having like other sources, like you can go with the Facebook ads, or you can go with the YouTube ads. So like that you can get traffic to your Shopify store, so that you can market your products. Okay, and next you can go with the compelling content or engaging with audience and leverage data driven insights to make your efforts and maximize your sales. You can create your own pages and market your target audience, or you can create content on your products. Likewise, you can do such kind of things to get your get maximum sales to on your store. Okay, now if you have got maximum sales and everything is fine, what you have to do is you have to manage the orders. So when the customers place an order for a print on demand product on a Shopify store, so the order is automatically forwarded to the print on demand provider for fulfillment. So no need of any intervention of you. It will automatically transfer to the print on demand provider. So the provider, what will do is it will print the demand, it will print the design for the selected product what we have customer has ordered, and ship it directly to the customer's address. So handling all the aspects of production, packaging, and shipping on your behalf. You are not doing anything. The print on demand provider also only alone is doing all your work, so including like shipping, so all these things. So yeah, packing, production, shipping, everything is done now. So managing of order is done by print on demand only. So monitor order fulfillment status and track shipments to ensure the timely delivery and customer satisfaction. The only thing which we have to do is we have to monitor the order fulfillment, whether the order is fulfilled or not, or it is shipped to the customer in the time or not. So if there is any return customer want to return anything, the how the return policy is in your website. So how you are managing those things, so you have to manage that kind of functionalities in your order. And next, one more thing what we have to do is we have to monitor the performance. So regular monitoring your store's performance using Shopify built-in analytics tools are there, and reporting tools are there. In Shopify you can analyze how many sales you are getting and how many are returned, getting return. And then now you can track your performance of your whatever the key performance indicators are, such as like sales, conversion rate, average order value, customer acquisition cost, and customer retention cost. How many customers are returning to your products and how many are constant customers are there. So everything you'll be having analytics in the Shopify store. You can follow those stores to increase your maximum sales. And next you can analyze the data trends, identify patterns, and sign insights into customer behavior to inform strategic decision and optimize your store performance over time. You can monitor all your performance in your Shopify store. And after monitoring, what we can do is we can sell your business. So if you're having particular data and where the fields you want to improve, you can scale your business. So if you are good at the following kind of things, you can scale your business like as print on demand business grows, explore opportunities to expand your product offerings, such as if you are limited to clothing, you can go with beyond non-clothing items also, like new markets and increasing sales that will help you to scale your business. Next, continuously iterate and improve your products, marketing strategies, and customer experience to stay competitive and meet evolving customer needs. Okay. And next, invest in scalable solutions, automating repetitive tasks and streamline operations to increase effective and profitability as you scale your business. So you make an your business automated. So if you want to doing the repeated task, so how to automate that? So you can choose such kind of things to scale your business. So now these are the detailed kind steps which I have discussed to how to set up a Shopify store and how to do print on demand without any inventory or uh, any much work like production and then sales, shipping, and everything. No need to bother. So everything is done by print on demand provider. So only things we have to do is we have to monitor and design your products. That much only it's in your hands. So now you have successfully set up and grown print on demand business using Shopify. Now what now I'm going to discuss like how I failed, why I failed in my business. So yeah, I have tried the same methods and kind of things. So where I got failed in is designing your product. So while going to designing my products, what I have did is I have created my own designs which are not under the specification of print on demand provider. So it will be going as a small size only. My designs are big at size, but they are want like limited size for clear clear prints. What they are following is some kind of printing technique which is not accessible for the designs which I have designed. So there I have got mismatch. That is the one point. And the second point is uh, setting the prices. So while cutting to the setting the prices, what I done a mistake is, so I have set a low profit margin for my products because nowadays, so as I am not that much level of designer, so I'm not expecting huge prices for my design. So I have let small margin of profit margin while setting the prices. And next, marketing our products. I have got failed in marketing my products because I am busy with some other works. I didn't get much time to market my products, and that too my designs are so limited designs, and I have no time to create much more designs to market my products. So that thing where I have failed. And next, yeah, whereas marketing products I have failed, then I was not end up with a few orders itself, so not getting much orders. So because of that, I have loss in Shopify store plan. Like management of that subscription is very difficult for me as I am not getting enough orders from my store. So ultimately I am not able to scale my business and move further with that loss. So I have deactivated the Shopify account, and then I have stopped designing my products, and then have I'm not again ordering from any print on demand provider. So that's how I have end up with my Shopify store. So these are the drawbacks which I have faced in my business, or what I have started as a side hustle. Yeah, it will be risky for me for managing all these kind of things. So yeah, I end up with this. So I hope if you are good at this kind of thing, designing products, and if you are good at marketing your products and managing products and getting traffic to your Shopify store using Google AdSense, and yeah, I haven't tried Google search engine because it will be again asking me for the investment there. So I can't invest because I'm having already lost with the subscription of Shopify. So I am end up in this my business. If you are good at marketing and then designing your things, and then you have a good print on demand provider also in the path, and then you are good at to go with this what we call as print on demand business. So it is not that much risky and not that much uh, costly. So I can say it is very easy for you if you are consistent in your work, and if you have that determination to do the things on your own and to achieve more in this business. So I'll recommend you to try print on demand with Shopify, that will allows you to create and sell the customized designs without any inventory and production managing kind of things. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts regarding any of these steps or any detailed explanation, if you want to need, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely make another video on that particular point with much more detailed explanation on it. So until the next video, keep watching and keep sharing our videos to your friends and colleagues who don't know these kind of things. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below, so that will support us and to do extra more videos on these kind of topics. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.